Raged between man and shark over the ocean. In 1937, the Shark Meshing Bathers Protection Program was introduced to bring us security and peace of mind while enjoying the recreational values of the ocean. It was introduced in Sydney beaches and Newcastle and Wollongong in 1949 and the Central Coast in 1987. Nets are commonly 150 metres long and with a depth of 6 metres and the mesh size being on average 50 to 60 centimetres. Shark meshing programs, otherwise known as SMPs, aim to reduce the risk of shark attacks for surfers and swimmers alike. They also deter sharks from popular beaches and the culling of populations of large, aggressive sharks. Overall, SMPs provide social and recreational benefits for swimmers and bathers, along with recreational fishermen alike. Since SMPs was introduced, shark attacks have decreased by 62%. This was seen in Sydney prior to the introduction of the policy, where there was over 10 fatalities. However, since the implementation, there has been no fatalities related to shark attacks. However, they have increased over the time. Butcher, in 2013, concludes that SMPs is a drastic measure that damages seabed and prevents few deaths. Although life is being protected by the introduction of SMPs, aquatic life is being severely degraded. The 3 dominant species of sharks caught are not known to cause human fatalities, as Reed found in 2011. Between 1950 and 2002, close to 12,000 sharks have been caught and killed, and in the past 20 years, 4,000 marine creatures have been caught and killed, and only 150 were known to be dangerous sharks. The remaining species were over 1,000 stingrays, turtles, dolphins, seals, dugongs, and penguins. Shark meshing is listed as a key threatening process under the Fisheries Management Act in 1994 and the Threatened Species Conservation Act in 1995. This was due to the fatalities caused to non-target animals and aquatic life, as the DPI found in 2009. Apart from biological costs of meshing, there is also financial costs involved with the maintenance of these nets, which can be prone to damage by storms and irresponsible fishing activities. This costs New South Wales Treasury Fund approximately $990,000 to maintain these nets, as the DPI also found in 2009. Shark meshing involves a trade-off between securing the safety of human recreational activities and giving us peace of mind with the presence of marine habitats and vulnerable aquatic species. Shark meshing is having detrimental impacts on the ocean inhabitants. For example, the endangered and highly vulnerable grey nurse shark has become reproductively isolated by shark nets, and the population has declined to only 300 remaining, which will further decline if the shark meshing program remains in place in New South Wales. Are we willing to sacrifice the safety of our oceans for the sake of a swim?